Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump a Dodge Avenger. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure both vehicles are turned off and in park or neutral. Put on your safety gloves and eye protection. Also, confirm that all lights, radios, and other accessories in both cars are completely switched off to prevent electrical surges. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. Take one red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Then, take one black negative clamp and connect it to the negative terminal of the good battery. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the engine block or chassis of the dead Dodge Avenger, away from the battery. Once connected, start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. Once the dead car starts, keep it running and disconnect the cables in reverse order. First, remove the black negative clamp from the dead car's metal surface. Then, disconnect the black negative clamp from the donor car's battery. Finally, remove both red positive clamps. Drive your Avenger for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.